Taught martial arts for 15 years, and I played, and it got to the stage where, after seeing my GP and various other people in the know, my legs were going from underneath me and I was falling down. Being a diabetic as well didn't help very much. I was only a type 2 diabetic, but quite severe. Mr Kapoor was recommended to me, specialist in the land, and I went to see him in Macclesfield. Well, I was supported by my wife, and I couldn't walk. I actually couldn't walk, and I was limping along. And eventually, after examination, I was recommended for a scan. Very severe damage to my spine down at T10 or T12. That was responsible for the majority of my problems. Mr Kapoor filled me full of confidence. I was quite, I had every confidence, and we went ahead with a spinal decompression operation, which was very successful. I thought I'd met God, because for once I was walking again. It was a great success. As a result, I recommended lots of other people to see in the nicest possible way. Dr Kapoor has kept his eye on me. Mobile, I can do a lot of the things that I couldn't do. The onset of age, of course, is I can still go on my cycle, and I help my wife around the farm. On this, we've got this llama farm, and there's a lot of work. Very uneven and undulating ground. It's difficult to walk if you've got an injured back, as I had. But yeah, it's given me a new lease of life, I'm afraid, and I'm proud to say. And I keep in touch with Dr Kapoor, because he was the man that made it all happen for me. I had injections which didn't seem to work. I met various, not consultant, but doctors who purported to know a lot about spinal injuries, but it was only when I met Mr Kapoor that I really started to find out really what was going on. So yeah, I did, in answer to your question, I did have quite a bit, and I was tolerant, but in pain. Just deal with my, I'm now on insulin, so that takes care of my diabetes. But apart from heart pills and the likes of Rampril and Clopidogrel, I had a heart attack when I was 55, which was actually fatal, and I was defibbed back again on the 4th shock. So I obviously have to take care of my heart nowadays. Amazing, I came through disruptions, you'd like call it. He did take good care of me and tended to my every needs. Well, amongst my many problems, health problems, the one that stands out most of all was that relief from that severe back pain and the collapsing of the legs, because I had obviously a fairly late state of, well, injury really, and I think all in all, looking back on it, it was a good experience, and I thank Dr Kapoor for what he did, and still do. I thought he was a great surgeon. I had a very pleasant nature with him. He was very reassuring, and that was important to me at the time.